Right, Bob, got to ask you some questions. Are you looking forward to Christmas? Has your mum been a good girl? No. Has Marley been a good boy? Yes. Has Kaya been a good girl? Has she? Oh. What would you like for Christmas, Bob? Would you like a cat? Oh, you'd like a cat for Christmas? Oh, well, I'll see what I can do, Bob. If it snows, Bob, are you going to go sledging? Oh, yes, so you like sledging? Ah. Bob, can you predict the weather this Christmas? Will we have snow on Christmas Day? That's a definite no. Will we have snow after Christmas? That's a definite yes. Bob the predicting dog.